Hey everyone, an ASUS AiMesh network allows you to cover your entire home with Wi-Fi coverage and avoid any dead zones. Typically, you have your main ASUS router, which gives you a certain amount of coverage, and then a few AiMesh nodes that extend the coverage to the entire building. Then your Wi-Fi enabled devices will usually connect to the best available node automatically. Even if devices roam around the home, they will always be connected. But sometimes you want a specific device to always connect to a specific node, maybe a smart TV near the bedroom node or a desktop near the main router. This is called binding, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it. But first, why would you want to bind a device? Well, preventing poor roaming for one thing. Some devices, particularly older ones or those with weak Wi-Fi cards, may not roam efficiently. Binding them can force them to connect to the most reliable access point for their location. And second, it ensures a stable connection. For stationary devices like printers, security cameras, or smart home hubs that need a constant connection, binding them to a specific node can ensure they don't drop and reconnect as the device roams between nodes. Let's learn how to do it in the ASUS Web Router web interface. Okay, so the first thing to do is head over to the login page for your ASUS router and log in. Once you're logged in, look on the left-hand side and click on AiMesh. Then here, that's going to show you your main router and your AiMesh nodes. I've only got one AiMesh node at the moment, and there is one client currently attached to it. So if I want to bind something to that AiMesh node from my main router, just click on the router and then scroll down, and you'll see a list of all the clients. One of the ones I want to move is a wireless one. So for the purposes of this test, I'm going to do this one, the Samsung printer. Click on this little chain link section. Once you've done that, it will show you the nodes in your AiMesh network, and you can select one that you want to bind it to. So I'm going to bind it to my RPAX58. So just highlight that and click on OK. Click on OK. And you can see here now there is a link showing it has been bound. And if you scroll back to the top and give that a few seconds, you should see the number of clients click up to 2. And there it is. So if I just click on that, scroll down, you can now see I've got this Shelly unit, plus I've got the Samsung printer with the bound icon here. So that is now bound to that node. That will stay bound until I unpower this node, in which case it would roam back onto the remaining nodes, or you can physically unbind it. So if I just click on that device again, it's asking me if I want to unpair. So click on OK. The symbol's now gone. And then if you wait a few seconds, you'll see it jump back to the main router. There we go. Number of clients 1. And it's jumped back onto the RT-AX88U. That's it, nice and simple. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.